Hey guys, it's Nomad Flair here, and today I'll be showing you how to connect a PS5 DualSense controller to your PS3. Yes, it's totally possible, but of course the haptic feedback won't be operable. Let's start off by switching on the PS3. Grab your PS3 controller. In my case, I'm using the DualShock 4 as I have a third-party PS3 controller which is trash. This tutorial is also applicable to the DualShock 4 in case you wanted to use that instead. Alright, let's head over to Settings, then to Accessory Settings, then head down to Manage Bluetooth Devices. You are then presented with devices that are currently connected or have been connected to in the past. Now select Register New Device at the bottom, then start scanning. Now grab the DualSense and put it into pairing mode. This will then pop up on the screen, then use your PS3 controller to select it. Registration is now complete and the DualSense can now be used in the menu, which means part 1 is complete. On to part 2, now enter your chosen game. I'll be using Modern Warfare 2. The DualSense is not operating within the game, so you need to have your PS3 controller at hand to skip through into the menu. A notice pops up saying you must use controller 1. Basically your PS3 controller is acting as controller 1, we need to change that to the DualSense. Now grab the PS3 controller, you need to plug it into the PlayStation 3, head over to Users and long press the PlayStation button on the controller, head to Controller Settings and reassign the PS3 controller to number 2. Now plug the DualSense into the PS3 using a wire and head back into the game and it should work now. As you can see, this works flawlessly. Try removing the wire to see if it works wirelessly. It should do. Just bear in mind that the DualSense does not work with every PlayStation 3 game, you just need to test it out to see. Quick tip guys, I always use control freaks with my controller as it reduces thumb fatigue, as these older games feel a little slower and clunky, so you end up putting more force on the thumbsticks. I've linked these down below if you're interested. Okay guys, I hope you found today's video to be useful. I'd appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel and comment which game are you playing on the PlayStation 3. Until next time everyone, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.